break coming in, it is some relief for Arvind Kejriwal as he is set to be released on interim bail that's been granted to him. The matter was heard by a larger bench. In fact, the matter will be heard by a larger bench. Until then, he's been granted interim bail by the top court. The SC says given right to life is concerned and since matter is referred to larger bench, we direct Arvind Kejriwal to be released on interim bail. So relief kicking in for the Delhi Chief Minister, who is going to be out from the Tihar jail as it's SC respite for the Delhi Chief Minister. The SC, while granting interim relief to Arvind Kejriwal, says that the Delhi Chief Minister has suffered incarceration for more than 90 days, beg your pardon. He is an elected leader and it is up to him whether he wants to continue in the role or not. So that's what the SC says while granting interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, saying that the latter served incarceration for more than 90 days and that he's an elected leader and it's up to him whether he wants to continue in his role or not. The matter note will be heard by a larger bench. Until then, he's been granted interim bail by the top court. We'll go across to Riyanka as well to understand what happened in the top court exactly, but the Supreme Court has now referred the matter to a larger bench. The top court has decided 3 questions. Arvind Kejriwal got a big... It is a relief for Arvind Kejriwal as he's now set to be released on interim bail in the Liquorgate scam. Riyanka is joining us for more on that. Riyanka, the matter will now be heard by a larger bench of the top court, but talk to us that what did Supreme Court have to say while granting that interim relief to Arvind Kejriwal?
We are getting is that the Supreme Court has granted interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal till the matter is taken up in front of a larger bench. Well, that is the big breaking news that we are gathering at the moment. The Supreme Court has in fact referred the matter to a larger bench. It has decided 3 questions. Arvind Kejriwal has in fact got a big relief from the Supreme Court. This is an interim relief that we need to see. It is an interim bail that has been given to Arvind Kejriwal by the Supreme Court. This is not a regular
by the Supreme Court. This is not a regular bail that has been granted. So there, it is not a complete, success there for Arvind Kejriwal. We have to wait and see what happens next. When the larger bench takes up this matter. For now, it is going to be a big day for Kejriwal. We have to see what are the further process, how Kejriwal walks out of Tihar, whether or not, whether there will be any response that will be filed by the Enforcement Directorate or not. That also we have to wait and see. But for now, more details are awaited. Samiksha, Kejriwal gets an interim bail from the Supreme Court.
Yes, Riyanka, stay with us. Also important to add here that the Supreme Court said that Arvind Kejriwal suffered incarceration for 90 days. Once again, take us through exactly what the top court had to say for the viewers tuning in on the interim relief that's been granted to him.
Absolutely. Let me just read out the exact words of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court says that Arvind Kejriwal has suffered incarceration for more than 90 days. He is an elected leader and it is up to him whether he wants to continue in the role or not. So that is the big word coming out from the Supreme Court, which is now somehow uplifting the fact that Kejriwal is an elected leader. Whether or not he wants to continue with his role, that is depending on Arvind Kejriwal there. But the court has in fact given in an interim relief to Arvind Kejriwal. This is what we are getting. More such details are coming in. Justice Khanna has said, we doubt if we can direct an elected leader to step down and not function as the Chief Minister. We leave it to him. Samiksha, there were several calls from the BJP side that Arvind Kejriwal should step down as the Chief Minister of the National Capital as he is behind the bars. But the Supreme Court very importantly stating that he is an elected leader, it is upon him whether or not he wants to continue with his role as the Chief Minister. Advocate Singhvi, who has been appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, he says while your lordships were reading, it was a roller coaster ride. So he goes ahead and and says, I beg your pardon, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi also says, let me add, we have also raised one question regarding election funding. Justice Khanna said the larger bench can modify if it wants. So for now, we can see a slight ray of hope for Arvind Kejriwal as he has been given interim relief by Supreme Court. But again, this is not the end of trouble. We have to see whether or not the ED files a response on it, whether or not the ED comes ahead and opposes it, whether or not there is some action from the CBI as well.